lawyer. You have to help me. Someone is trying to kill me. That's true. They're threatening me outside my house. They're telling me they want to kill me. I don't know. I cannot sleep. I have been days without sleeping. I have, like, I'm very tense all the time. What should I do? Should I take them to court? I don't know what to do anymore. I'm so afraid.
Well, first of all, let's relax a little bit.
Okay, fine. Whatever.
Let me tell you about a process called criminal mediation.
What's that?
I can tell you to go to a party that we call the mediator, and he will be in the middle between the offender, which is you, who say it was?
It was Claudia Gutierrez de la Peña, and she's trying to kill me because she wants to steal my boyfriend. She has written me letters. I have proof. And I don't know what to do. She's always outside my house. I don't know. And what if I see her and she tries to kill me right there?
Don't worry. And of course, you will be the other party. The mediation will prepare both of you so that you can meet face to face.
Okay, fine, let's do it. But I want this problem to end.
Don't worry about it.
I don't know how it will make that girl and me, like, have an opportunity to speak and solve the problems because she was trying to kill me. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna work, but okay, let's try it.
Don't worry, it will repay every damage.
If you say so. You're my lawyer.
Trust me.
That is, this is a private session where I can tell you about my problem. Really?
Yeah, well, and Jesse feels threatened, wants to feel safe and peace with everywhere, and you?
It's okay. I don't want to have problems with Jessie, and I agree with solve this problem and don't work her anymore.
Tiempo. Párale.
I know you never wanted to kill me. You were just jealous. And I was too. He lied to us. But now we should leave him and we should be independent. We don't want him anymore. Our boyfriends. He lied to both of us. It's not fair. I'm sorry for taking you to mediation. But thanks to this, we have been able to talk our differences. It's okay. I forgive you. In today's contemporary criminal system, the victim is taken for granted. Nobody cares about the victim, and the victim never gets the damage repaired because that's the actual criminal system. But as we know, with criminal mediation, not only is the victim taken as a part of the conflict and the necessities of the victim are also taken care of, but the criminal is also getting a lot of advantages through mediation. And another important thing, even society is fulfilled with its necessities by the mediation. We do not mean to say that this is something that will take like the contemporary justice system out of the way, because it does not end with mediation. But mediation helps both the victim and the criminal get like too many advantages. For instance, the victim through mediation can get the damage repaired. For example, if there was damage to the victim's property through mediation, that victim will and might get the property fixed. And the criminal, the thing is, it will not end the dispute. It actually has to go through a jurisdictional court. But nevertheless, the criminal can get a diminution of the penitentiary time it's going to spend in jail. Instead of 10 years, it can get the sentence reduced, which will be something really important and an advantage really important to the criminal. But the thing about criminal mediation is that the criminal has to acknowledge the crime, which is a really hard step. Once the criminal acknowledges the crime, it can get it can get a mediation in which the advantages the criminal can get in a penitentiary system, in a jail, will be huge. The other thing, of course, if the criminal suddenly decides that a mediation is not the solution and it wants to subtract from it, it doesn't mean that the information received through the mediation can be used in court. That is completely not true. So people have to trust more the mediation system because of that. Also, mediation is, in criminal mediation, both the victim and the wrongdoer get a lot of peace because through the acceptance of the crime and a sort of forgiveness from part of the victim, this is also a psychological effect for both parties. That's what criminal mediation is, a great thing, a great thing for society, for the victim and for the criminal, because all the parties are involved. Thank you.